In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your X account password using Google Password Manager. This is a quick and simple method if you've saved your login before and now need to check it again without guessing, resetting, or locking yourself out. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Password Manager. You can do this by searching for it in Google, or by going directly to the Password Manager section of your Google account. Once it loads, sign in with the same Google account that may have saved your X login details. This is important because Google Password Manager only shows passwords saved under that account. After you're signed in, you'll see a list of saved websites and apps. Use the search bar and type X, or if you still have it saved under Twitter, try searching for Twitter as well. Depending on when you saved it, the account may appear under either name. When you find the X entry, click on it to open the saved login details. At this point, Google will usually ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. You may need to enter your device password, use your fingerprint, or confirm with Face ID, depending on the device you're using. Once verification is complete, you'll be able to see the saved username and password for your X account. Look for the eye icon next to the password field and click it to reveal the password. If it stays hidden, just confirm the security prompt again and it should appear. Now you can copy the password and use it to log into your X account on another device or browser. If you don't see your X account saved, that usually means it was never stored in Google Password Manager, or it may have been saved in a different browser or password app. In that case, check other password managers you may use, like Chrome Save Passwords, Safari Passwords, or your phone's password manager. If the password is not saved anywhere, you may need to use the Forgot Password option on X to reset it instead. Once you've found your password, it's a good idea to keep your account secure by changing it only if necessary and making sure your recovery email and phone number are up to date. And that's it. That's how to view your X account password through Google Password Manager. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.